Hey guys, I'm Brendan with Gone Mobile Vans. We're here in Tahoe. So we're a van builder in Costa Mesa, California. We're down Orange County area. We're a van builder, focuses primarily on the Ford Transit. So we're one of the few transit builders out there. We build really awesome transits, fully self-contained, toilets, shower, hot water, heating, and air conditioning. We're really stoked with the vans that we build, and I want to talk about the AC unit. We use primarily the Nomadic AC, the X2 unit. So we like it for a small footprint. For its power efficiency, we use a 48 volt unit. Because I'm a tall guy, and inside the van, I love that it's a flat profile basically for the vent in there. It doesn't stick into the van anymore. I don't have to worry about bumping my head. Cool, so here we are inside. Really is one of our standard build layouts. Some of the highlights of our vans are we use all aluminum componentry, so all of our cabinets are aluminum, so they're lightweight, they're gonna hold up a long time. They don't rattle, they hold, they're super strong. You can hang from our upper cabinets. A couple of the other things that are pretty significant to us and nobody else is doing is our topo ceiling. So this is, it's a foam material that we get to color pick, or our clients get to pick what color they like. So this is a pearl over a gray, but you can go all sorts of different colors. So it's a combination that our clients get to pick. Same thing with the wall fabric and the flooring and the cushion colors, stuff like that. As I mentioned, I'm a tall guy. The Transit is pretty cool because it's actually about 6'6" inside versus a Sprinter. So I can't stand up straight in a finished Sprinter, but I can in the Transit. So that's what's important for me, at least for like the AC unit. The panel up there, it's flush in the ceiling, it doesn't stick down, so I don't have to worry about hitting my head. But yeah, pretty standard layout. We've got a toilet, we got our shower underneath our bed here, we got plenty of water, plenty of power. Yeah, we're pretty stoked with these vans. Most of what we're building these days are pretty much identical to this. Yeah, we've been growing over the last 3 or 4 years, and it's super exciting. But yeah, pretty solid AC units, and we're really stoked with how they work in our vans. And we're having an awesome day here at the Adventure Van Expo, and hope to see you guys soon.